Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a left tab stop on the ruler in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add left tab stop on the ruler. Go to the view menu. Then check mark on the ruler option and we can see here added the ruler. Now we want to add left tab stop using the ruler. Select the text and select the left indent and apply the tab stop on the ruler in Microsoft Word very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.